Hey, it's John from Popeyes Postcards. Going to do a preview for our Tuesday night auction. Got a lot of 20 postcards, all with cemeteries. Oh, back came off on one of them. Might be 19. There's some real photos in there. 25 postcards, arcade cards, all with playing cards or poker related. 29 hands across the sea, shaking hands, all in really nice condition. 29, all standard size. 19 teens and earlier. Beautiful condition. 28 West Virginia postcards, chrome and earlier, all standard size. And several of these are going to be thrown in and not counted in the final count. 29 risque postcards, linen, chrome, real photo in there. 29 of them. 35 Valentines, some nice cards in here. 1920s and earlier. Beautiful lot of Valentine's postcards. 32 postcards, all have umbrellas featured. There are a few real photo postcards in this lot, but all have an umbrella on them. 18 booklet postcards. This one has a beautiful Santa on it, but they all open up and have a message or something else written on the inside. 18 of them. A lot of 40 postcards from New Mexico, almost all chrome, all standard size. 40 postcards from New Mexico. 30 continental size postcards from Long Beach Island. Some of these are art-like cards. There's some like linen and there's chrome, but of places along, I believe, all Long Beach Island, New Jersey. Continental size, 30 of them. 36 postcards, all patriotic, U.S. flags, some war-related, 4th of July, Washington's birthday. 36, all standard size, beautiful condition, patriotic flags. Nice lot. 56 postcards with dolls, doll-related stuff. 21 of them are these Rose O'Neal Cupid doll reprints. This is an original Rose O'Neal here, but the other ones are reprints. But 56 with dolls on them. 65 postcards, all with the Statue of Liberty. There's at least one real photo. Chrome and earlier, but 65 Statue of Liberty. Instant collection. Interesting topic lot. 51 postcards, all with spoons. Instant collection of spoon postcards. 58 standard size chrome and earlier, all of Texas. So 58 cards, chrome, linen, maybe a few earlier ones. A lot of 61 U.S. Navy and ship postcards, chrome and earlier. Mostly chrome, all military ships or U.S. Navy. 50 Hawaii postcards, chrome and earlier, with some really nice real photos in this lot. This is a terrific one right there. 50 Hawaii postcards. 50 state and country girls. I believe these are some are Langsdorff, and some are these ones: Germany, Virginia, Netherlands, all over the place. 50 of them. State girls and country girls. A lot of over 100, I believe, all linen and earlier. I don't think there's any chrome in here. From New Jersey, Atlantic City heavy, and other big cities. Over 100. I think it's 103. 65 1990s to 2000s advertising rack cards. I believe they're all unused. Interesting subject matter on these. 65 of them. Advertising. Some risque. Over 130 baseball-related postcards, arcade cards. These ad cards from Shop and Save from the 90s, 80s or 90s. 130 pieces in this lot. There is duplication, so it would be good for a reseller. A lot of it's 135 postcards, all featuring women, many real photos, but there's women featured on every one of these cards. 135 of them. Nice collection. 100 postcards featuring ships, all older. I believe these are, well, there's a few chrome and earlier, but looks like steamships, paddle wheelers. There are some military ships in here, but 100 postcards featuring ships. Lot of over 85 streetcars, trolleys, trams, trains. There's a bus in here. Chrome and earlier, all standard size. There are a few real photos, probably from the 40s and 50s. Lot of approximately 54 Hawaiian bathing beauties, some National Geographic-esque tribal women photos. Some are real photos in here. I think there was 54 of these.